ESI Presence Management combines RFID technology with ESI's award-winning telephone systems to let you see who's in and out of the building, let you modify your telephone's operation, establish premise access control, and track employee time and attendance. Use of radio frequency identification in commercial applications is on the rise. ESI is the first to combine this technology with business telephone systems to deliver new capabilities. ESI Presence Management is a combination of door phone readers, employee key fobs or cards, and custom application software in the phone system that provides door phone capabilities, remote entry control from ESI digital and IP stations, access control via electronic key, in and out status indication of employee movement, automatic control of voicemail greetings and call routing preferences, and ESI Timeline integrated time and attendance application. In its simplest application, ESI's Presence Management Reader can be installed as a door phone. When arriving in your lobby, a guest presses the call key on the RFID reader, which rings designated phones, instantly connecting the guest to your attendant or any station you prefer. Letting your visitor in is just as easy. Each door phone reader is capable of controlling a door lock. Without leaving your work area, press the unlock key to remotely unlock the door. When electronic keys are assigned to employees, ESI's Presence Management takes on a whole new meaning. Each electronic key can be individually programmed to grant employees access to your facility or secured areas within your building. Access can be controlled even further by using schedules that allow access only at certain times and days of the week. Some employees may enter only via the front door, while others may come and go through any of your doors. Certain employees may have access to your computer room while others do not. Select personnel may be cleared to enter the secured warehouse area, but others are denied access. And should an employee lose his electronic key or leave the company, there's no need to rekey all doors. Simply deactivate the key. No more inaccurate in and out boards. Employees scan their electronic keys when entering or exiting the building. Attendants, department heads, and managers see who's in and out with a simple glance at the phone or ESI's VIP application. This is particularly useful for your attendant. A scanned-out employee's virtual button on the PC attendant console clearly displays Out. This keeps everyone informed of employee presence by the state of the extension's DSS lamp on your phone, italicized names in the VIP Professional Quick Contact list, or the virtual button labels on the ESI PC Attendant console. In addition, as you scan in or out, your phone's operation can be changed automatically to forward your calls to your cell phone or other number and notify you of messages back at the office. Combine Presence Management with ESI's VIP Professional Desktop application. They're the perfect complement to each other. When VIP Professional is installed along with Presence Management, intuitive screens make station modifications as easy as a few simple mouse clicks. Employee scanning events accurately track work hours and attendance history by combining Presence Management with ESI's Timeline. No more paper timesheets and manual punch clocks. Payroll entry errors become a thing of the past. Countless hours of timesheet preparation are recovered. Once captured, data is easily formatted for payroll systems like ADP and QuickBooks. See how the many facets of Presence Management and ESI Timeline can benefit your business. Door phone capabilities, remote entry control from any ESI station, access control via electronic key, presence status indicated through lighted station keys, automatic control of personal call routing, ESI Timeline integrated time and attendance application. Open the door to better management of your employees and facilities. Put the power of ESI Presence Management to work for you today.